Okay, now it's time to install the essential tools we need for developing our C++ projects, in particular our CMake projects. So we'll go through and install these pieces one by one. So first thing we're going to do is install what's called build-essentials. Actually, that's singular, build-essential. And this will be a lot of tools. This will be a lot of stuff. And so as this is recorded, I'm pausing to speed up the video. So choose yes. And there we go. Next thing is, although that includes a lot of the build tools, we're still missing a few. So the next one we want to install is GDB, which is the GNU debugger. Interestingly, that is not installed with the build essential package. So we'll just go ahead and choose yes on this one. This is just GDB, the GNU debugger. If we're going to use our WSL tool chain for some of our IDEs, it's advised that we have the debugger installed as well. And then next, we're going to install CMake. I've included a couple others here: CMake, CMake-doc, and Ninja-build, which is a particular package to facilitate the generation of CMake build files. And so now we can verify that we have the tools installed. CMake space hyphen version. It shows us it's 3.16.3. G++ is going to be our C++ compiler, our GNU C++ compiler that we'll use, and make is there as well. So there you go.